Last year, we created the Caesar Aura Scanner, our second campaign on Indiegogo, and you loved it. We created a community of over 20,000 backers and 150,000 users around the world. And we scanned everything. Now we're back with a scanner like you've never seen before. This is the Caesar Shine Ultra. Our new, super portable, adjustable scanner with our most advanced tech yet. With 13 full-sized megapixels and 340 dpi, which means you get superior quality scans every time. The Caesar Shine Ultra features the patented curve flattened technology, which means you can scan anything, and it will give you absolutely flat scans, with colors that are more vivid than ever before. But where the Caesar Shine really shines is how it makes scanning simple. It's completely powered by your laptop, so no extra cables needed. It recognizes more than 180 languages. It's super fast, whether you need to scan one document or 100. With the blazing speed of scanning one page each second. And it's super portable. Carry it with you in your backpack and you have the power to scan on the go anywhere. And the Caesar Shine is also capable of recording video while scanning, so you can use it in your presentations. And the adjustable height ensures that you catch the smallest details. We've worked hard on perfecting the most portable and advanced scanner yet. Back us and be the first to enjoy the Caesar Shine Ultra.
Hi, my name is Simon Shen. I'm the CEO of the XYZ Printings. Well, this is our headquarters in Taiwan. We have more than 355 engineers worldwide in US, Singapore, Taiwan, and Philippines, dedicated to develop the 3D printer. Since 3 years ago, we started thinking why the 3D printers only can print the mono objects like this. Why not we cannot do it in the full color printing like this? In order to make your 3D printer become colorful, our engineers spent 3 years to develop the special formula of the 3D color inkjet POA and also CMY ink cartridge with our free software XYZ makers. And of course, color mini, then you can start having your 3D printer become colorful.
How to be twice as smart. Focus is something that every one of us does. Most of us don't do as well as we could. We spend a third of our lives focusing at work. How well we do depends on it, yet we neglect it. Knowing that we focus is good, but it's not enough. We need to begin to understand how our mind can work better. Nobody is even thinking of using the most powerful part of our mind, our subconscious. With FOCI, we want to change that. FOCI is a biometric wearable that tracks your subconscious and helps you tune into deep focus. Clipped to your waist, the biometry captures your cognitive states as a stream of coloured orbs inspired by Pixar's Inside Out to help you visualize your mind and understand yourself better. This biometrics powers the AI Mind Coach, the closest thing to a real coach. It picks out mistakes you made and provides real-time advice to optimize your mental performance. You will not only know exactly when you lose focus, but also access techniques with easy-to-follow steps to make focus your second nature. We want FOCI to help you get into what psychologists call flow, a state of deep focus where your subconscious empowers you to process information better.
FOCI is based on 2 decades of neurorespiratory research which establish how breathing patterns mirror subconscious states. We have built a small device that you can clip to the waist to track your breathing while you work. With machine learning, FOCI learns your breathing characteristics and derive personal insight in real time to boost your focus.
Over the last few months, we worked with Cambridge Enterprise on the project. We alpha tested with student testers from Cambridge University. The results are very promising. Now we want to share this powerful technology with everyone. We want the Kickstarter community to help us shape what we are building as we build it. With your support, we can together help people better understand themselves and tap into their potential.
You want more power, time, efficiency, functionality, stuff done. You have more with Powme. Super slim, iconic style, extremely powerful. It will give you all you want with your Mac. Power adapters falling from your walls. Mountains of dongles. Entangled cords. Powme is here to solve all these problems. Easy, fast, powerful. Equipped with wireless chargers for your phone, AirPods and Apple Watch. An AC power adapter for your Mac. A quick charge USB port and super compact GON technology. Powme will keep you empowered. Integrated with fast data transfer USB 3 port, a 4K HDMI port, SD and micro SD slots, and an additional USB-C port. Super compact, lightweight, and easy to use anywhere you are. Powme will keep you versatile. Inspired by the century's most iconic style, with an ultra-modern design, Powme will motivate you to do more. Powme is your new must-have.